Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add custom data to your ChatGPT. To get started with the process, you first need to log in to ChatGPT in chatgpt.com in your browsers. After logging in to ChatGPT, you now need to click on your profile, which is located at the top right corner of your browser. Simply click on your profile and then click on Customize ChatGPT to customize ChatGPT according to your needs. You can now add custom instructions to your ChatGPT, and then the ChatGPT will respond according to it. After you've added your instructions, you need to make sure that Enable for New Chat toggle button is on, and then click on the Save button. And that's it. You successfully added custom data and customized your ChatGPT according to your needs. Now the GPT will be responding according to your instructions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for future updates. Thank you for watching.